How to see someone's recent followers on Instagram. Now to do that, let's head over right here to our profile, and then we can head over right here to our followers. So these followers right here are actually filtered or sorted by time. So the ones on the bottom are actually the people that has followed us longest. So for example, let's try to see this person's followers. This person has 5 followers, and as you can see, this is actually sorted like this. You can notice that the sortness right here is actually not alphabetical, which actually which actually suggests that the sort filter for this one is also by date. So I recently followed this account. As you can see, I'm on the top, and at this one, which is the Insta Hustle, is the first person that has followed this account. So by just seeing the bottom and the first one follower will tell you the recent followers as well. So that's how you see someone's recent followers on Instagram. Hope we help.